Bitcoin, have a day, baby. It looks like this entire crypto market is finally finding some nice support here. I believe this market is about to go on a second large run. Don't miss your shot. And in today's video, we're going to talk further about it. Before we get started, guys, of course you gotta get in there, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you on the channel, guys. Let's get after it. Here we go. Let's jump right into it. Here is Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin USD to the US dollar. Now, before diving into the technicals, let's talk really quick about the market as a whole today. The last 24 hours, Bitcoin is up 3.37%. You can see that reciprocating across the entire market here, guys. I'm so excited for crypto. Now, the market that's to come, let's talk about that a little bit, just a little bit of forecasting here. Now, I believe a lot of the original price targets that majority of the market has set, let's say for Bitcoin, they're thinking 100K by the end of the year, so far and so forth. And if you guys want to know what those targets are, just check my video up above. But I believe a lot of these targets are definitely in the vicinity now. I think they're in the scope. You can see across the market, guys. Now, we don't want to get too excited, but across the market, we saw a lot of green, guys. Now, the market that's coming, it's going to be a little bit different. I think altcoins, I think alt season is going to cool down a little bit. And I think you're going to see a lot more of your more sustainable, powerful altcoins kind of come a little bit more out of the woodwork, right? So Cardano, Doge, baby, right? Chainlink, Matic. I think they're going to have quite a season here. So let's pay attention to altcoins as we're going. But again, remember that they could be cooling down. But as you can imagine, right, everything is going to be driven by Ethereum and Bitcoin, our futures here, and they are both up in the last 24 hours. Now let's dive into the charts, man. We can't forget about the charts. All right, 4 hour, guys. Bitcoin, it's been looking better than people think. Now, it's still kind of indecisive. We can't get too excited. Like I said, I think there's a strong support around that 30,500 range, anywhere between like 29 and like 30,000. It really has rejected there quite a bit. I mean, we're talking what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 significant time, guys. Bitcoin is finding a nice support there. As you can see, right, we had that parabolic run, right? Bitcoin was moving, moon gang, and then we kind of moved sideways in this channel for quite a bit of time. And then from there, we started to waterfall down into our current trend. And our current trend looks like it's trading sideways just as well. And you can see even these support and resistance levels for this current trend that we're in does mimic the trend prior. Okay, so something to note there. It's just an observation, more or less. Where's Bitcoin going next? Now, if we dial in here, I like to use the 15-minute just for a little more relevant accuracy. But you can see, right, Bitcoin, we're in that channel, just finding resistance at about 40,000 and finding a support again at about that 30,500 mark. What I'm excited about is that more interim, we have been creating substantial higher lows and higher highs as well. Bitcoin's finding a really nice support here as it tries to potentially attempt to break this resistance level, guys. Our major resistance level anywhere between about 42 and 43,000. So I'm eyeballing mostly this area right here. If we get past here, I'm going to start looking at this a lot differently, guys. This is going to be a nice, pre-confirmed sign that this market is finding a second leg. This is a significant level we need to get to, and I'd like to stay, clear above this resistance level at about 42,000. Once we break 42,000, we might run to late 40s in a hurry, and then from there, it's kind of just like, what does the market want to do? And likely you can imagine there's going to be a snowball effect there. There's going to be pent-up demand. There's going to be FOMO, all that good stuff. Now, I was watching Bitcoin last night. I was trading it last night, and I did notice we found this nice kind of second leg. Now, I was waiting for the breakout above about 39,700 today, and we had that nice breakout and we retraced right back down to it as the making of this video. The reason why I want to note that is because last night Bitcoin was already kind of cooking. It had a nice push over the weekend, guys. Bitcoin made a nice recovery, got back towards that critical resistance level we want to break, and now that we're at it, things are looking great. And also, to start off this gorgeous day, guys, we had some great news for Bitcoin. Elon and Tesla are going to reconsider its usage, and then of course you have some other things going on as well in the market. So Bitcoin looks good. Strong support here, guys. It's testing a critical resistance level, so I think the path to 100K is definitely in the question, and it's looking more promising now than ever. But again, guys, being a trader, being a conservative person, being realistic with the market, they don't really care that much about emotion. So let's wait for confirmation. To me, this is not confirmation that we're finding a second leg on this market, but I'm excited nonetheless because we are approaching such a significant, ceiling that we've been holding for what, guys? I mean, weeks. Bitcoin's ready to move. and it's ready to move to the moon, baby. Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. I hope this video helped y'all guys. Just a quick highlight on Bitcoin. Again, my fellow Bitcoiners, I think this looks phenomenal. This is exciting for all of crypto market. And let's see what is to come, guys. I'll be sure to keep you guys updated. Just turn on the notification bell and stay tuned with the channel, baby. Hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week and happy trading.